Most Flybridge super yachts at this length ask you to compromise on speed. The Riva 112 Dolcevita Super does not. Built by Riva in Sarnico, Italy, part of the Ferretti Group. A brand founded in 1842, making this one of the oldest names in Italian yacht building. 5 full decks, purpose-built Flybridge platform, twin MTU 16V 2000M 96L engines, 2,638 horsepower combined, top end 25.5 knots, cruise at 23 knots, 430 nautical miles on 4,000 gallons of fuel. For a 112-foot platform, that is a serious performance envelope. 112 feet overall, 23 feet 10 inches of beam, 6 feet 9 inches of draft. 5 full decks, sun deck, upper deck, main deck, and lower deck accommodations, with an optional main deck cabin configuration. The 5-deck layout gives guests full separation between entertainment, dining, and overnight spaces. Twin MTU marine diesels, the same engine platform used across Ferretti Group's super yacht line. A full beach club and swim platform at the transom, direct water access at anchor, and maximum capacity for 20 guests, size for private charter or extended family use. Below decks, the Dolcevita Super accommodates multiple cabin configurations, owner suite, VIP, and guest cabins, with a full main salon and galley on the main deck. Bottom line, this is a vessel that performs at speed, ranges across a coast, and delivers the full super yacht experience without the complications of a larger platform. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.